Welcome to Kingston Bridge Group's 10-minute training, Mastering Time Management. In this fast-paced session, we'll tackle effective ways to master time. My name is Danielle Stevenson from Kingston Bridge Group, and today I'll equip you with actionable strategies to value time, identify time wasters, prioritize tasks, time block, and maintain work-life balance. Ready to boost those time management skills in just a few minutes? Let's get started. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to get so much done while others struggle to keep up? It's not a secret formula or magic trick. It all comes down to how they manage their time. Time is a finite resource, and once it's gone, it's impossible to get back. This is particularly true in a professional setting where every minute counts. Managing time effectively can lead to increased productivity, allowing you to achieve more in less time. But it's not just about getting more done. Effective time management also reduces stress. When you're not constantly rushing to meet deadlines or juggling too many tasks, you can work more calmly and efficiently. This not only improves your performance, but also your overall well-being. Moreover, good time management can help you achieve a better work-life balance. By organizing your time wisely, you can ensure there's room for relaxation and personal pursuits, not just work. Understanding the value of time is the first step towards better time management. Now consider this. What activities or habits are consuming your time without adding value to your work? Time wasters, as we call them, are activities or habits that eat up our time without contributing to our productivity or efficiency. They're the sneaky little time thieves that slip under our radar, gobbling up minutes and hours that we could be using more effectively. Let's start with a common culprit: unnecessary meetings. We've all been there, trapped in a meeting that could have been an email, or stuck listening to discussions that aren't relevant to our work. These unnecessary meetings can consume a significant chunk of our workday, leaving less time for tasks that truly matter. Next, we have multitasking. While it may seem like a good idea to juggle multiple tasks at once, research suggests that multitasking can actually reduce productivity by up to 40%. Instead of getting more done, we end up spreading our attention too thin and accomplishing less. Then there's the lack of planning. Without a clear plan, we can easily get lost in a sea of tasks, unsure of where to start or what to prioritize. This lack of direction can lead to wasted time and decreased productivity. Now, these are just a few examples. Time wasters can be different for everyone. Maybe for you, it's social media scrolling or frequent breaks to make coffee. The key is to identify these time wasters in your own life. Take a moment to reflect on your typical workday. What activities or habits are taking up your time without contributing to your productivity? Once you've identified these time wasters, you can start to take steps to eliminate or reduce them. Remember, time is a non-renewable resource. Once it's gone for good. So it's essential that we use it wisely. By identifying and addressing our time wasters, we can free up more time for activities that truly add value to our work and our lives. Identifying your time wasters is a crucial step towards improving your time management skills. So, let's start reclaiming our time from these sneaky thieves and make every second count. Once you've identified your time wasters, how do you decide what tasks to focus on? This is where prioritizing comes into play. It's not just about doing things faster, but doing the right things at the right time. One effective method of prioritizing tasks is by using the Eisenhower box. This is a simple tool named after the 34th U.S. President, Dwight D. Eisenhower, who once said, "What is important is seldom urgent, and what is urgent is seldom important." This principle is the core of the Eisenhower box. Imagine a box divided into 4 quadrants. Each quadrant represents a different type of task: urgent and important, not urgent but important, urgent but not important, not urgent and not important. The first quadrant, urgent and important tasks, are your immediate priorities. These are tasks that need your attention right now. They're the fires that need putting out. The second quadrant, not urgent but important tasks, are the tasks that contribute to your long-term mission, values, and goals. These are the tasks you need to spend time planning and strategizing for. as they are the building blocks of your future success. The third quadrant, urgent but not important tasks, are the tasks that seem like they need your immediate attention, but upon closer inspection don't contribute much to your overall objectives. These tasks can often be delegated. Lastly, the fourth quadrant, not urgent and not important tasks, are the tasks that don't contribute much to your goals and don't require immediate attention. These tasks can often be eliminated to free up more time for your important tasks. Using the Eisenhower box can help you visually sort out your tasks and decide which ones deserve your time and attention. It can be a game changer in managing your time effectively. Remember, not all tasks are created equal. Prioritizing effectively is key to managing your time. This way, you ensure that you're spending your time on tasks that truly matter, bringing you closer to achieving your goals. Now that you've prioritized your tasks, how can you ensure that you follow through on them? This is where the concept of time blocking comes into play. It's a simple yet effective time management technique that involves dedicating specific blocks of time to specific tasks. Think of it like making an appointment with yourself to work on a particular task. You've probably heard of the saying, "What gets scheduled gets done." This is the fundamental principle behind time blocking. By scheduling your tasks, you're essentially making a commitment to yourself that you will work on them during the allotted time. It's like setting a meeting with your most important client. You wouldn't cancel or reschedule it on a whim, would you? The same should apply to your time blocks. Time blocking is not just about scheduling your tasks, it's also about protecting your time. In a world full of distractions, it's easy to get sidetracked and lose focus on what really matters. But when you have a time block, you know exactly what you should be doing at any given moment. This can significantly reduce the likelihood of getting distracted and help you stay focused on your tasks. The beauty of time blocking is that it can be adapted to suit your individual needs. Whether you're a morning person or a night owl, you can arrange your time blocks in a way that works best for you. For instance, if you're most productive in the morning, you might want to schedule your most important tasks during this time. By using time blocking, you can ensure that your time is well spent. It can help you stay focused and productive, and make sure that your important tasks get done. It's not about being busy, it's about being productive. And with time blocking, you can make every minute count. Remember, your time is your most valuable asset. Don't just spend it, invest it. Time blocking can help you stay focused and productive, ensuring that your time is well spent. Even with effective time management, how can you ensure that you maintain a healthy work-life balance? Let's dig into this. Achieving a healthy work-life balance is not just about dividing your time equally between work and personal life. It's about setting clear boundaries and ensuring that one doesn't encroach upon the other. In our hyper-connected world, it's all too easy to let work spill over into our personal time. Emails and messages can reach us anywhere, anytime, making it challenging to switch off, but it's essential to draw a line somewhere. Consider setting specific work hours and personal hours. During your work hours, make it a point to focus solely on your professional tasks. This is where your time management skills come into play. Prioritize your tasks, block time for essential work, and eliminate time wasters. On the flip side, during your personal hours, resist the urge to check work emails or think about tasks for the next day. This is your time to recharge, engage in hobbies, spend time with loved ones, or simply relax. Remember, your personal life is just as important as your professional life. Both need time and attention to thrive. Time management plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy work-life balance. It's not just about managing your work time effectively, it's also about ensuring you have enough time for yourself. Take a step back and look at your life as a whole. Are you spending too much time at work and not enough on personal growth and relaxation? Or maybe you're giving too much time to your personal life and neglecting your professional responsibilities. Use your time management skills to adjust and balance. It's a constant juggling act, but with practice, you'll get the hang of it, and it's worth it. A balanced life leads to increased productivity, decreased stress, and overall better quality of life. Remember, time management isn't just about getting more work done, it's about creating a balanced life. Sure, you see. So, how can you start managing your time more effectively? Let's recap. Firstly, grasp the true value of time. Remember, it's the only asset that once lost, you can never regain. Next, identify those sneaky time wasters. They might be lurking in your daily routine in the form of unnecessary meetings, or maybe even excessive social media scrolling. Then, move on to prioritizing tasks. Understand that not all tasks are created equal. Some have a higher impact on your goals than others. So focus on those first. After that, consider time blocking. This is a practical technique that allows you to dedicate specific time slots to different activities, increasing your productivity and focus. Lastly, don't forget the importance of maintaining a healthy work-life balance. This isn't just about avoiding burnout, but also about ensuring that you're living a fulfilling life outside of work. Effective time management is within your reach. Start applying these strategies today and see the difference it can make in your work and personal life. We hope you've enjoyed this brief workshop on mastering time management with me, Danielle Stevenson, at Kingston Bridge Group.